President Lai and Micron CEO met at the presidential office. Lai said that Micron's investment in Taiwan is the best proof of U.S.-Taiwan cooperation. Why is Micron so important to Taiwan?
Micron is today the largest foreign employer in Taiwan. So if you look the workforce for Micron in Taiwan, I think it's probably around about 12,000 right now. And that's quite significant. This is growing. Some of their newest technology is here for advanced packaging, for HBM. A lot of their team is here who's supporting for the AI supply chain. So I think in this regards, this is nothing which is driven by all the current geopolitical movement. This is really driven because of the technology infrastructure. And when TSMC is very strong on logic, they also need memory. And there is Micron probably the biggest one in Taiwan right now.
The new U.S.-Taiwan trade deal significantly increases Taiwanese investment in the U.S., especially TSMC's. As the Taiwan government tries to garner support for the deal, it's using Micron to show that investment between the U.S. and Taiwan is mutual. Is Micron's investment in Taiwan comparable to TSMC's investment in the U.S.?
I would not say, because I think the investment from Micron is commercially driven. And the investment from TSMC is because of policy driven. So I understand also that Taiwan is providing also some subsidy support to Micron. Micron is going because of the business. So it's pretty clear. It's because of the ecosystem you have in Taiwan. This is very important for a memory company to be here. You have also other memory companies with own fabs in Taiwan, which is Winbond, which is Nanya, and which is also power chips. And if you look, for example, for TSMC is investing, the numbers are minimum 165 billion, up to, some people say, to 300 billion, if everything comes into place. So Micron probably at the moment invests, I would say, since the last couple of years and looking forward, probably 1 trillion NTD, so like 30 billion, 35 billion. So that's also like a completely different level.
Are there any other U.S. companies significantly making investments in Taiwan?
You have American companies like Lam Research, KLA, and they also did already significant investments here. But also, for example, NVIDIA, they do in Shilin, in Taipei City, where they will have a new company headquarter for the region. You have AMD, but also you have the hyperscalers who come here, right? So you have Google, for example, here. You have Amazon here. And I'm telling you, it was a very, very smart move, Yes, Taiwan is like semiconductor hub and is very important, and other companies and regions want to do this. But now becoming like an AI supply chain hub, where they have different stacks. You have technology, you have design, you have manufacturing. You have, for example, companies like Wistron, Compal, who are basically building servers. So you have like a high value ecosystem for AI.